Alrighty guys, in today's video in TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at some terminology that's worth knowing when operating the program. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on tips and tricks, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. So in today's video, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at some terminology it's worth knowing, and that is the following. There's obviously more that we can add. Maybe I'll just do one or two afterwards, but this is definitely what is good to know. So first of all, we've got the go and go scale. Now this refers to the frame function to check out for boundaries. So it's like I said, it's good to know it because you would not just guess it. Then we've got capture. This is used for scanning images, which is a bit more understandable, but it can be quite confusing. So if you want to scan an image in from, like, let's say a twine saver scanner or something, then that will be capture. And then we've got feed param, which is short for feed parameter or parameters, and this is used if you have a machine with a conveyor type belt table, then it will be the feed parameters. Another one which I find rather good to remember is the download option. I know I've covered this before in previous videos, and it's for a reason, because downloading, basically if you click this, it will upload it to your machine. So as you guys can see, it's a bit confusing. So you would imagine it will bring something to this because it's downloading, but no, it does the opposite. It actually takes this and saves it to the actual machine. So download should actually also be on this list. But this is some basic ones that I think it's good to remember. So we've got the go scale, and which will basically be as a function to check out the boundaries. And then we've got capture, which to bring in images or scanned images from a device, a scan device. Feed param, which is for feed parameters, which is obviously if you have a machine with a feeding tray, you can say, or conveyor type tray. That's where you'll set those settings. And then we've got download, which actually uploads it to your machine. To conclude this video, if we head to the website softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. Simply type in what you're looking for, hit the little magnifying glass button, and it will try to find it for you. Then if you don't, however, find the videos you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll try our best to make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.